Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a really cool 1948. This is a Jeep Willys. Has 16-inch wheels with brand new military tires. And this was restored by a gentleman up in Oklahoma over a several year period. We've got the receipts from 2018 where the motor was rebuilt. New sleeves, pistons, the rod's resized, new bearings. It's just a slick little ride. I just got through driving it. It'll cruise about 45 miles an hour, pretty nice. It's certainly not a highway machine, but it's four-wheel drive. It's got the split transfer case. A lot of the wiring and electronics have been replaced and upgraded. Just a neat little ride. Somebody did get off with the axe, but it does have the shovel. It's got the data plates on the dash and a really cool vintage fire extinguisher. Not sure if it works, but it's there. But all the four-wheel drive works. We also have receipts for where they rebuilt the transfer case and the transmission, showing 786 miles. Most of those are parade miles. It's got nice pads where people can kind of sit up here on the side and wave in a parade. Nice back seat. Body mounts are all good. It's just a really good, nice restored example of a 48 Jeep. I'll start the engine, let you hear it run. We've got some cars driving by here.
Nice.
Thank you. Doing a little video here. She's alive. But a good, smooth, quiet running four-cylinder. And I don't know if the fire extinguisher works. I'm going to say it's more there for a decoration. But there's the lights working. The motor purring like it should. They use those engines for generators, welders, water pumps. Pretty robust little commercial engine. It's got the jerry can on the back. You can see the taillights are working. Just a sweet little ride. But if you've ever had the itch to get a little military Jeep, this is a really good one. It's very well done. It's very simple, very basic. These pieces of wood here are so you can fold the windshield down. Well, I got this video going, might as well drive it. I like that it's got the original style steering wheel still on it. Can't really shift with and hold the camera. As you can see, the speedometer works, voltmeter, oil pressure, fuel gauge. It's all working. No windshield wipers. I don't think they came with windshield wipers in 1948, especially in a military vehicle. And this is certainly not a vehicle that terrorizes the neighborhood. Little four-cylinder engine. Oh, accidentally pushed up into reverse. It does shift very smooth. I just got to learn how to drive it right. Well, thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails.